Okay, so what I did was I got a piece of this sturdy board and I started to get a hot glue gun out, and these foam sheets from Walmart, they're like 33 cents a piece. And I've started to hot glue down the foam sheet to the sturdy board. So let me finish that, then we'll flip it. Alright, so here we have the typical typing a letter, and the typewriter will walk a little bit around a smooth surface. So to stop this, we're going to build a typing mat. Okay, so I've got my first piece glued down to the sturdy board. Now I'm going to take my second piece and go right next to it, like so, and that'll be a big enough surface for the typewriter to sit on. So once I get that glued down, then we'll flip it, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to use red on it, and we'll see how this part goes. Alright, so both sides have been glued down. Made sure I have no loose corners. I can go ahead and cut her out. So I could use my scissors, or I'll use my box knife here. Oops. Let me get this set here. Just slice around the edge. Again, it's just sturdy board, it won't take much of a cut. Do the outline. Too much in my fingers. And right there. And of course, it's going to take a little more of a cut. This is one of these go over it twice kind of things. There. Now we'll go try it out. Okay, so I've set it on the table here, and now I put the typewriter on, like so. That rubber bites the rubber feet, that rubber bites the surface, or the foam bites the surface, and it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to walk. I can type in comfort. I can finish my Dear Mom letter. Dear Mom, how you been? And question mark. So really easy, really cheap, 33 cents, 23 cents, whatever they were a sheet. Piece of sturdy board, doesn't cost much, and you got yourself a typing mat. Have a good one. Before I forget, I changed the handle on the case for that 1946 Smith Corona clipper. The old bake-a-lite handle is not broken, but you know, if you're carrying it, there's that potential for it just to break. So by just drilling out the rivet that held it on, I can conserve the old handle, and I put on a handle from a laptop case. I used one steel and one other short bolt and a couple of nuts, and I put 33.8 pounds of weight inside the case to test lift it, so there's no concern here. But of course, with that, it could go out, and if one side breaks, the other side's going to go, so why chance it? Just advice. Be advice for the wiser, or something like that. Take care.